During the second installment of Four in a Bed, Channel 4 viewers were taken to rooms at the inn in Nottinghamshire with hosts Charlotte and Donna. Whilst all the guests were blown away by the rooms at first, Carly and Rob were left tired the next morning after a restless night's sleep. When reading their feedback, Charlotte and Donna were disappointed they wouldn't return due to a loud humming noise coming from the pub next door. Guests Jana and Emily provided positive feedback throughout their stay, with one tiny request from the owners to not use as much plastic in their breakfast baskets. Despite their environmental concern, they decided they would return to rooms at the inn, which left Charlotte and Donna thrilled. Carly's feedback was next, where she wrote, "Didn't have the best sleep, a dull humming sound kept me awake, possibly the boiler next door. Bed was comfy though." Picking up on the comments about the humming, Charlotte explained, "That is fair about the humming, it's the fan in the pub. We've had that comment before, unfortunately, it is beyond our control." Would she stay again? No. That's a real shame. If she has had a bad night, I will take that on the chin, and that's fair. The last review Charlotte and Donna read was from Rob, where he scored his sleep a 4 and commented, "Good, comfy mattress and pillow. The light outside disturbs sleep due to ill-fitting curtains, and loud constant buzzing noise." Annoyed by the comments made by Rob, Charlotte expressed, "That's really bad. It was Rob. I agree with the light issue, we do need blinds, and that is definitely something we will be changed. Again, it's that fan. They have given us a 4, but we provide eye masks and earplugs, so why did they not put them on? That's really unfair, and that's not justified." When they noticed Rob said he wouldn't stay again, she added, "That is a real shame, we're just a budget-friendly hotel, but I am gutted." Don't miss. Emmerdale fans work out Chloe Harris' faked pregnancy. Latest, Varys Brenda Blethyn breaks silence over Aiden replacement. Insight, Coronation Street exit as Daisy Midgley center of acid attack. Watch. Some of the viewers agreed with the feedback Charlotte and Donna received from the guests and were annoyed by the eye mask and earplugs comment. Taking to their Twitter accounts, user @nsgenmac penned, "Exactly, some noises do still get through. A humming noise would drive me mad." #4enabled. @meg commented, "She didn't get it, did she? Earplugs and eye masks should be a personal choice, not a necessity for a good night's sleep." #4enabled. Sam Ellis added, "If I have to wear an eye mask and earplugs, I don't want to stay at your establishment. It's as simple as that." #4enabled. Sylvia Thompson questioned, "Who wants to sleep in an eye mask and earplugs?" #4enabled. @Sally Miss Zero stated, "Having a humming noise all through the night would drive me mad, so I definitely would not be returning, even although overall it's good value." #4enabled. With @Harley959802366 expressing, "So do I, but I agree they're not for everyone. Also, they may not be enough to cut out the humming noise." #4enabled. Sick, 4 in a Bed airs weekdays from 5 p.m. on Channel 4.
lover.